Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday, also known as Hump Day. Middle of the week, the weather's beautiful. Yeah. Last night wasn't a culinary expedition night, but we were in Ireland for St. Patrick's Day, where I prepared a wonderful, beautiful roasted corned beef and a side of cold cannon. Mm. The corned beef was fork tender, juicy. Oh, absolutely wonderful. And I served that with a horseradish sauce. The cold cannon was perfect. Gotta love St. Patrick's and Irish meals like good old roasted corned beef and cold cannon. Yum. I'm wearing whites today. And actually, the red shirt I'm wearing underneath the jacket is baking is science. Today, I'm going to be doing two recipes. The first recipe is from the English kitchen, good old Marie. I am baking her cream biscuits, scratch biscuits. I'm going to attempt it, hence the whites. And on top of that, I'm going to be doing a homemade sausage gravy. So, biscuits and gravy tonight with a side of scrambled eggs. Might skip the eggs. I don't know yet. Might not need it. So, pray for me because you know how much I really love baking, but I want to attempt this. Yep. And I contacted Marie. She's giving me some hints, some suggestions for a non baker. Yeah. So, enjoy the weather. And you know what? Have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, my friends, have fun cooking.